Can't believe the day is here.
Crazy. Now we just have to decide what kind of house we want.
Isn't this a cute little house?
It is very cute.
Today, we are in the heart of Tampa, just a couple blocks off of the Riverwalk, close to the University of Tampa. We are like in the center of everything. Great energy here in North Hyde Park.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
We live in upstate New York, Syracuse, New York, and we lived there our whole lives, almost 51 years. We have 3 sons. Our oldest is Cabri, he's 21, Cole, he's 19, and our youngest is Caleb, 17.
What made you first fall in love with Tampa? Like, why here, why now?
Our son started to go to the university here, so we started coming to visit a lot, and then we were like, oh my gosh, we love it here.
Yeah. Originally, we bought the bungalow so our son could use it to save on room and board at college, and then the ultimate goal was for us to move down here and make it our retirement home.
But now our second son, Cole, is also going to college here, so it kind of accelerated our permanent move down here.
And we decided that we should get our family back together. So we decided to relocate as soon as possible.
So coming up to this, you see all the charm. It's so cute, but trying to figure out why this isn't working for you.
It's a lot smaller than we thought.
Yeah, 741 square feet, 2 bedrooms.
And you have 3 sons, right?
3 sons.
Ooh.
Hello, boys.
Hey,
Say
what's
hello.
up?
Once you have furniture in it and you have 5 people in it, you feel really confined. So although we love it, we made a difficult decision to knock it down.
And build our dream home.
Build our dream home.
So obviously, we need to demo this house to build your brand new house. What are the plans in the meantime?
We're gonna stay in Syracuse
Okay.
until it's done. Our youngest son, Caleb, is going to be a senior in high school. So we really need this done before school starts here in Tampa.
Which makes sense on why you need this done pretty quickly.
I think we need to take a look at what's inside of this house.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Oh, this is cute.
Cute means small.
Very small.
Well, cozy.
Yeah, when someone says cute or cozy, they mean small. Right. I know we don't have a long way to go, but do you want to show us the rest of the house? Is that like 10 more steps?
You just
5 more.
Yeah, give us the grand tour.
So that's the front of the house, and now we're in the back of the house.
Yeah.
Correct.
I mean, it technically has all the spaces that you need for your day-to-day, but when you times 5 people trying to share these spaces, yeah, I can see why it didn't work.
And then 1 bathroom in this whole house.
1 tiny bathroom.
Wow. Now, how big are you guys thinking for the new house?
We want it big enough to fit our family, so 4 bedrooms, 3 baths.
So we're definitely going vertical with this, 2 stories.
Gonna have
Definitely.
to.
Yeah.
I think that's the only way.
Man,
So what's the plan for the pool back here?
We know that we're in the city, we have a small lot, so we can't really save that.
okay. So have you thought about the style and the vision for the new home?
I'd like to replicate this house a little bigger.
Ooh, okay.
And I think since it's coming down, let's start from scratch. I'm looking for something more modern.
Demolishing the house is very painful to me to see and watch, because
I'm excited to see it go. I'm not sure we should build another bungalow. We're gonna knock it down. Let's start something new.
It sounds like you guys need to see a variety of options, and we'll figure out that collaboration of what you have in your head and what you have in your head, because you both need to be in love with this new home.
Right.
Have you guys figured out a budget?
Yes, it's $555,000.
Gotcha. We're gonna get this demoed, cleared off, start with a blank canvas, and your dream home will be here before you know it.
Don't worry, this is gonna be a new, fresh start. This space is gonna look a little bit different. Woo!
Oh, the trim's coming up. Today we're at Jim and Terry's existing home, which we're gonna be demoing to build their dream home, but just because the foundation is not in working order doesn't mean this house doesn't have stuff that we can save. Devin, how's it going? Think we can do anything with these?
I think we can salvage some, definitely.
Yeah. We think we can do something cool with these floors. Not sure exactly what yet. These floors are over 100 years old, but they are thick pine. These things have a ton of character. We'll be able to sand these down, restain them. They're gonna look brand new for whatever we decide to use them for.
So today I have got my work cut out for me, because we need to figure out what this dream home for Jim and Terry is going to look like. I know, Terry, you're totally open to some new stuff.
Yeah, I love it.
Just hope your heart rate doesn't jump too much today, because I'm definitely gonna show you guys a lot of different options.
I'm still a huge fan of keeping that bungalow character, and she wants more modern.
This particular house is very modern, has very straight, sleek lines. The color palette has a lot of contrast, so different than a bungalow.
Right.
I
Right
know.
up her alley.
I love all the black windows. I love the wood accent. I love the stone. It's beautiful.
Okay, Terry's already giddy.
I knew it. I like the stone, the black windows, for sure. But it lacks the character that I'm looking for in a bungalow. I think the exterior of our home should be inviting. I love a front porch and some color. This house, I felt like you were walking up to a doctor's office.
I liked it.
Let me float an idea by you guys. We know with your lot size, we're gonna need to go vertical.
Right.
So we can get creative with how we add that second level. Maybe that's how we incorporate some of the bungalow styles. Elements like dormers.
I'm open to that.
I love that. All right, so let's check out a great room space here.
I really like it. I'm a big fan of the beams and things. It just gives more kind of height and depth and character to the room. The lateral boards on the wall, kind of that bungalow character that I like. Definitely my style.
Get rid of the old and put the new in.
Well, it's a new construction home, so technically everything will be
Everything's
new.
new.
Yes. Though I don't so much like the old look of things. Like, even if it's new, I like the new look.
Okay. Why don't we go check out a more modern style interior and see both of your thoughts?
Wow.
Right?
What is there not to love? It has all those clean lines and definitely open, airy,
It lacks a charm. It looks like I'm afraid to sit down.
but something totally different than what we ever had.
I really don't know who's going to cave first or if that's even going to happen because they are both pretty adamant on what they want.
Our old house had a lot of comfort. You sit in front of the fireplace, lots of colors.
Say that again, our old house.
Okay, so let's try switching gears from the design for a second. Instead, what do you think about the layout of this great room? Would the size of the room work?
The size of the room is beautiful. I like the openness.
Yeah, I mean, having everything open, everybody can be in the same room. I think it's perfect.
We agree on that, Mika.
That's what I'm talking
floor
about.
here
We
on
just
the
gotta
stairs?
win.
Yes,
Why don't we keep going while we're on this agreement mode?
I absolutely love the island. It's huge. What do you think, Jim?
I do love the size of the island for sure. And I love the table close to the outdoor space so you can see outside.
I agree.
And I do love the accent on the wall.
You could take a chunk of our bungalow and put it right there. You know, out of respect for the history of the bungalow.
I kind of like that idea.
Yeah.
I really do. I think that
Somewhere
we
in the
could
house.
salvage something.
Yeah.
Something.
And you can totally mix styles together as
Right.
well.
So you can have a little character and a little charm.
Here we go! There goes the front porch. So today is demo day for Jim and Terry getting started on their dream home.
We wanted an open concept.
Oh my gosh.
Jim, are you crying?
That's sweat.
Sure.
Big time sweat.
Your eyes are sweating. Terry's definitely smiling. Jim and Terry. Are you guys ready to see what we came up with for your dream home?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Check this out. You're gonna have a two-story home, beautiful front porch. You've got the pillars.
Do you feel like you see both of your personalities in this?
No, I definitely do.
I love the dimension and I love the front porch.
Nice.
Wow.
And let's
Time to go
move
inside
in.
then.
So right when you walk into your entry, we have a full bath and bedroom.
Perfect.
As you walk through, you've got an open concept in the great room, kitchen, and dining.
Check out these sliders we're gonna have. It's pretty much gonna open the whole wall up to the outside.
I love that.
Yeah.
And then I figured this space here is big enough for your dining area.
Oh, perfect.
Let's mosey on up the stairs and see where these other 3 bedrooms are. First, you're gonna have the laundry. Strategically, we put it there because you have 3 bedrooms up there, so it's kind of more convenient.
And then we're gonna have 2 bedrooms separated by a full bath.
And then to the left, that whole side of that second level is your main suite and your main bathroom.
I'm so excited.
Now you have 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,500 square feet.
And we fit it all inside of your budget of $555,000.
Yeah, it's very exciting.
Awesome. We're pumped. Thank you.
So I know you guys are heading back to Syracuse. Even though we're not officially breaking ground yet, you wanna put a little bit more work in this lot and you do the ceremonial groundbreak with us today?
Sure.
Yeah, that'd be perfect.
The next time he comes to do work, it's gonna be opening that front door.
Exactly.
guys
Day 1
ready?
starts right now in 3, 2, 1.
So I want to start with the cabinets for your main bath. I want to show you something that's neutral, and you can play off of this color with a lot of different options for countertop as well.
I think the gray would probably look the best.
I agree.
like
Yeah,
that.
I like the gray.
Well, that's great, you guys. I have a couple of different options I want to show you for countertops. I'll start with this one here. Now, this one actually has hints of blue. It also plays well with the gray cabinet.
I do love that, but I think I want my bathroom refined and sophisticated.
Okay, well, based on that feedback, let me show you one that feels like a little bit more upscale. It's actually got little flecks of gold in it. So for a main bathroom, if you're kind of going for that sophisticated spa kind of feel.
Yeah, I love that.
I think I like that too. 'Cause I think it has enough
That's a
pattern.
winner.
Ooh.
All the block just got delivered. The crew is here. Cement mixer's about ready to get fired up.
Oh, man.
This is it. I feel it. This is it. It's like the little engine that could. I think I can. Oh! Yes! Now we can start throwing some block. The block party has officially started. Let's go. I just love block day. It's when the house really goes from like 2-dimensional to 3-dimensional. By the end of today, all these exterior block walls will be completely done. Jim and Terry, we are so excited for you. It's gonna start moving super quick. Now that the first floor exterior walls are fully built, we can start framing up the second floor. Jim and Terry's old house was way too small for their family of 5, so we fixed that by taking this house up a level. All right. Let me get the door for you, Mika.
Why, thank you.
Today we are in downtown Tampa at Jim and Terry's dream home, and they're up in Syracuse, but things are coming along nicely.
A lot different from the original house that was on this lot.
A lot different from the empty lot.
What I really love is this home is a hybrid. For Jim, there are some aspects to a bungalow. It's got the columns, it's got the dormers. Terry's like, we're starting new, so it's a little bit more modern. So we've got our great room, our kitchen, nice entryway, high ceilings.
I have to show you the second floor.
All right.
Check out the sweet view they're going to have of downtown Tampa.
Hello, City of Tampa.
Isn't that great?
So far, I'm impressed with the progress of the house.
Yeah.
So we got this idea to use the old floorboards and create an accent wall in one of the boys' bedrooms. It's gonna really kind of just bring some warmth into the space. We got a little bit of a gap there. Let me slide it down.
We ripped up the old floor and we stripped them all down to the bare wood, restained them. They are going to look so good, and I love that we're blending the old with the new. Clear! Clear!
Good?
Clear!
No gaps. Love it. And of course, we want everything to match the design aesthetic that Jim and Terry love. So the tone that we're using really complements the flooring in the house and their overall vibe.
Boom!
Yes! All right, let's stand back.
Wall/old floor is done.
I love it. I love being hands-on. And more importantly, I somewhat like hanging out with this guy.
Ooh! We make a good team.
Yeah!
I think you need to come to construction sites more often. If I don't get a running start, I'm in trouble. Watch out, Tony, I'm coming. Only have to do that another 30 or 40 times. Today is day 99, and there are 99 things going on. We've got painting going on, we've got plumbing going on, we have landscaping going in, and on top of all that, you are also furnishing the inside of the house.
Oh yeah, Jim and Terry are about to be official Floridians. The inside of the home is looking beautiful. It definitely has a modern feel, especially like around the island, the mixed metals. Whew. These look so good. But it's also like true to that bungalow traditional style that Jim likes. I'm juggling today. Day before reveal is always a little chaotic.
Hopefully there's no fires on this one, though. Ooh! Mike, is that the special delivery?
No, there is fire because we also have our boy Mike from Inside Out delivering a fire pit. So in this case,
That's a good
I'm
fire.
actually looking forward to the fire.
Yes. Brand new residents, Jim and Terry, all the way from Syracuse, New York.
Boston!
Hey, my parents always said I have a great face for radio. Today is day 100, and gosh, after yesterday, I wasn't sure if we were gonna get here in time. We came a long way in 24 hours. I'm a little bit sore today, I will admit.
For sure.
You got the poof, I got the puffs.
I think this turned out great.
Let me ask you, would the college you want to hang out with your parents in this backyard?
For sure.
Me too.
Can't believe we're on our way.
Probably the thing I'm looking most forward to is never shoveling again, unless it's sand.
Gosh, what a great photo of the demo. Yes.
Can't wait to see it.
All right, Meek, they should be here any minute.
Here we come.
Oh, snap.
Let's go.
From New York to Florida, welcome home.
Quite a difference from the old one, huh?
Oh my goodness.
Wow!
Looks a lot different, right?
Size?
It's so big.
on this small lot. It looks amazing.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I love it. It looks still like the bungalow porch we had.
Yeah.
Which I love.
Everything else is different.
Thank you guys so much for letting us be a part of this really big decision in your life, but also trusting not being here during the whole process.
Thank you.
Looks like you did a good job without us. I love
Looks
it.
beautiful.
Yep. Shall we continue? You ready?
I'm excited.
It's gonna feel a lot different than the old house.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Gosh.
Wow.
Wow, I love the color I chose.
Look at that.
Wow.
This is unbelievable.
I love how
Wow.
tall the ceilings are. The counter.
Go check it out.
Yeah?
Wow. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
I'm blown away. I
Yeah.
can't believe that.
You know, the biggest thing with the bungalow I remember was how choppy it was. Now,
I love that it's open and we're all gonna be able to fit.
let's check out the bedroom on this floor. It's set up as an office space, but it can be used as a bedroom when Cabry's home from school.
Oh wow, I
Oh,
love
wow.
the color of the wall.
Beautiful.
Are you ready to take the reveal to the next level and go upstairs?
Ready?
Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Cannot
Take
wait
it
for
up a
y'all
notch.
to see these views.
Wow.
Holy.
This is gonna be Caleb's room.
Look at that accent wall.
Cool, right? Those are actually the old floors from the old house.
Wow,
Those are the old floors?
I know you were concerned about losing what you fell in love with, so.
We stripped them down, we stained them, and we repurposed them.
That
So,
is awesome. So a
yeah,
little
turn
bit
it
of
over.
history from the old home.
Yeah.
Love it.
Also, he gets access from the bedroom right into the bathroom.
Oh, wow.
Wow, I
love the floors.
The tile. Gosh,
Each have their own sink.
perfect.
And they got their own walk-in shower.
They are really gonna love this.
And if we keep walking through this bathroom, we have the other bedroom right on the other side.
Wow, this would be Cole's room.
Oh, he's gonna love
He's
it.
got the view of downtown. This is awesome.
Well,
many
so one of
windows.
them gets the view, one gets the accent wall, and one gets their own floor.
Right.
That's even.
True.
See?
Yep.
We wanted to make sure we saved the best room for last. Are you ready to see your
about
main
that.
suite?
Yeah.
We are.
Oh, yeah.
Very excited.
Oh, wow, I love this color.
Wow. That's beautiful. I love that window.
Right? It gives you
The-
privacy,
Yeah,
but you
yeah.
get that extra natural light.
I love that.
Is
Yeah.
this somewhere you can envision relaxing, and is it spacious enough for you?
Absolutely.
Oh, yeah, it's
I-
beautiful.
I'm glad you love the main suite, but I cannot wait to show you your main bathroom. She's already gone.
She's ready.
I didn't finish it.
I'm
All right.
excited about my bathroom. I love it. I love it. I
Wow.
love it. This is amazing.
And the best part about this bathroom is you don't have to share it with the boys.
All right, Jim and Terry. The
That's
whole
Terry. Look
wall
at this
of
door,
glass
Terry.
opens.
Wow.
And it keeps opening. And guess what? It
He
keeps
just likes
going.
to show off his strength.
That is awesome. Fire pit. I love it. It just
Yeah.
extends the
So I got two
space.
fireplaces.
Yeah, that looks super.
I love fireplaces.
Nice, she
Even
does.
if it's
I know you do.
140.
She'll turn
I
it
love
on in the summer here, either way.
I will.
She doesn't realize she's not in Syracuse.
Hey, you know, that's almost like bringing a piece of that home to your new home,
It
too.
is.
Remember when we were trying to figure out how to do the
Oh,
stairs?
yeah.
Right, yes.
Check out how the stairs turned out. It's
This
so
looks awesome.
perfect now.
Yeah, it doesn't take up space.
We had to be strategic with the footprint of the house so that you guys still have a front yard and a backyard.
I'm shocked to have green space and mature trees in the middle of the city and a fire pit. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm very impressed.
This is so cool.
Beautiful.
The whole focus was, okay, Jim and Terry have to be the cool parents. Your boys want to come home and hang with you.
Right.
Do you think they're going to want to hang with you here?
They might use it more than us, I think.
I'm looking forward to that for sure.
Exactly.
This was way more than I could ever expect to knock down our little bungalow and to have a 2,500 square foot house.
We're very grateful to Brian and Mika for what they've done.